Take three. Take three. Take three. Take three.
Dude, you ever drive barefoot? Oh yeah, it's the best. Alright you guys, day number 3 in a Soyuz. We're leaving back to the track. We're gonna shoot some awesome stuff. We're gonna get some B-roll and it's gonna look great. Jesse wants some shots on the bike. Levi's driving the MR2 at the moment. What's good? Hi there.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Can't call anyone.
We made it back into Area 27. Oh. Yet, Jesse?
Yeah.
All right, Jesse, time to get up on the tower. The front straight, baby.
That's pretty sweet. Okay.
Jesse?
Yeah.
Nice to meet
Marcus.
you. Benton?
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Thanks for having us up here. This
Yeah,
is
for sure. For sure. Nice day, boys. Perfect.
No kidding. Yeah, definitely a lot quieter today, seems like.
It is, yeah.
Yes.
Well, yeah, what tends to happen? We had a RS1 stock car exit of 16 here, lost it. Slid all the way through, managed to stay on track.
Oh, that's what those marks are there?
Yeah.
Wow.
All these marks here, these are all fresh.
Whoa.
Car to receive the checkered flag is the blue and orange Formula BMW going through turn 1 right now. What's up, YouTubers?
What's going on, YouTubers?
Yeah,
Yes, we'll see you around.
I need a new girlfriend, so tag me in that or whatever.
You can always speed it up in post.
Live from the racetrack, Area 27, boys and girls. All right. So yeah, that's the gist of it. Basically, this weekend was a big, you know, social event for all the members, and this is day 2. It's a lot quieter, you know, probably because people have hangovers. There's a winery there, there's a vineyard there, there's a vineyard there, and right now, actually, Bill Drosas and all the other guys over there, Jacques Villeneuve, they are actually building a go-kart track. So what they're doing is building a mini version of Area 27 here, flipping it upside down, compressing it and putting it right there so you can drive go-karts and then, you know, get the lay of the track and learn it before you get out. Oh shit, dude.
Watch the paint, man.
Do we have an issue?
Yes.
Can we go?
Do you want an aux cable? Is that gonna...
Oh yeah, dude, just get... Oh my god.
That's just stupid.
Old school. All right, so what do we got here? 2001 Prelude.
2001 Honda.
The 2.2?
2.2. That's a pretty good motor. Makes like no torque, but
Just keep it above 5 and you're good.
Just like up in the oil drinking zone.
good one, dude. This is a good one. And it's raining. This is kind of what you get in the Okanagan. It's a lot of Hawaii-esque weather,
Yeah.
I feel like. It's very, like yesterday, it rained for an hour or two, pouring.
Poured rain, didn't
Yeah,
it?
oh yeah, bad. And then we go for a drive and just happen to go down the valley that where it's getting sunny, and the sunset was unreal. It was great.
Yeah, we let Levi pilot this little beauty,
Yes, yeah.
and he was having some fun with it. Because it's not very easy to keep this thing up in speed, especially following you in your MR2 at 18 clicks an hour.
In all the roads that we cruised yesterday, though,
The twisty ones,
totally neck and neck. Like it was
Yeah.
like, okay, yeah.
but it's still like,
Yeah.
wow, is it a lot of work to do that?
More rain. See what I mean? Look at that.
I didn't answer the phone because I obviously knew what that meant.
How was it?
Fucking didn't have to cheers a coffee too. Look at my sunburn, it's getting so much.
Oh yeah, dude.
Got Wags and Fraser out here. He's fucking ripping this road. Marcus might not be too pleased that we're vlogging for him right now, but
Details. He's looking pretty good on that though.
dude, honestly, he really is. Like, okay, so Jesse's Mini is like, it's an unbelievable vehicle, right? It's
Yeah.
cool. It's cool.
I think that this really suits him.
You think so? Than the
Mini?
Yeah,
Yeah, dude,
quite
he-
possibly.
He's like a clown coming out of one of those small cars, you know?
Look at this lake.
Made it to K-Town.
One piece. No police issues again. Thanks RCMP for doing your job poorly.
Thing is, they have been doing their job. We've been like, there was the roadblock there right outside our motel, and they were they were tagging people left, right, and center for drunk driving. Don't drink and drive. If you think you can get away with it, it's a laugh, dude.
Yep.
You will not. You
Yep.
will not.
Anyway, we're just cruising into downtown K-Town here. I kind of had a cool idea for a hotel. It's like right by the beach, super cheap, right by a liquor store and a grocery store, which is key.
Hotel.
Here we are. Okay, so
Guess not. Oh, check out this.
Wow.
what the heck's going on down there?
So, Marcus, first impressions? Hey, what's going on? Yeah, it's a cool car. I'm excited because I haven't driven the latest generation Golf R yet.
Actually, so I'm sitting here with the host of Roads Untraveled. You know, we just met up with Tim to check out his Golf R.
Wicked Golf R. with
Wicked
a
Golf.
No smoking sticker on the back.
I think it's gonna go fast. What do you think? Do you think it's gonna go fast?
I think it's gonna go fast. I actually don't know if it's a manual or a DSG.
Well, if we roll down the windows, we could probably hear. We'll be right back.
We couldn't hear it.
We couldn't really hear it. Marcus's car's too loud. Thanks, Berg. What up?
Yeah.
Levi. We're doing this. I mean, we're balls deep in doing this, so.
So we're trying to close the road for a photo shoot, real quick photo shoot.
That we actually use a closed course. That's
Yeah, we do actually use closed courses.
Do I want to go this way, I guess? You know what I'm saying, right? Right, Mark?
And the last time I drove. Okay, go.
I'll spin around. That dog looks like a stray.
Yeah, it's an auto. No, the shot looked unreal. And the wind was
Oh, okay.
it was legit. Go for it.